In front of me is ULEFONE Power Armor 18, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by opening Play Store and installing your new defaults. In my case, Opera mini browser. When your apps are ready, you can go into Devices settings. In those settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Then select Default Apps and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, just click on your new downloaded one and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!